Well, this is the finished product, and there was lots of stumps and rocks to remove. So here we go with the rest of the video, and we show you the work that was involved.
It's a long ways down this bank. There he is. Put the notch on this side of the tree, so I'm hoping to follow the tree this way. Right. Timber! Okay, we'll cut that big one down.
Because the trees were cut probably 5 years ago, the stumps were rather rotten, and that made it easier to break off the roots and pull them out.
Wow, what a difference. You can see a little bit of handwork's gonna make a big difference now.
After removing the stumps and the stones with the backhoe, we pushed the rest of the debris into a big plaster hole.
Well, getting a lot of work done today down at the cabin. I gotta thank Lost Caper. Man, if it wasn't for him and his tractor, man, if it wasn't for him and his digger, all this work would have never got done. Wow, that was a big day. A lot of changes. Got a little ways here to go just to add some fill, but wow.
It's a beautiful little cabin with big windows perched on top of a hill, and it overlooks a brook.
Got some stovepipe to put in. Some more windows on this wall. There's Uncle Ray digging a backhoe. Gonna have a good road in here finally. Turn this cabin into I'm gonna turn this cabin into a home.
We landscaped all around the cabin. It was full of rocks and stumps, and their 2-year-old, they wanted a place where he wouldn't be tripping over the rocks and the stumps, and kind of make it like a nice little yard. Here's the finished product. Thanks for watching, folks, and don't forget to subscribe.